Hi, welcome to our second video on integration. In this video, we continue our discussion on the integration of polynomials. Remember, the differentiation process is where we take function rules and turn them into gradient functions. The process of going backwards is called anti-differentiation, but we're going to start to use the word integration instead of anti-differentiation. All right, here's a list of all the rules we looked in our first video. And if you're not too confident with them, you've got to go back and either watch the video again or practice and practice and practice until these are really basic ideas. All right, let's get into example 1. Remember, this symbol here is the integration or anti-differentiation symbol, and the dx means with respect to the variable x. All right, so we're going to integrate the square root of x with respect to x. Right, well, you need to remember that the square root of x has to be changed into x to the power of a half. And now we can integrate. To do that, we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power, which is going to be half plus 1. Now, we don't like using fractions inside fractions, so just remember that 1 and a half is equal to 3 halves. So we're going to change this to x to the power of 3 halves divided by 3 halves plus c. Now, when we divide by fractions, remember that we multiply by the reciprocal. So a good quick way to sort this out is just to leave the 3 at the bottom and bring the 2 up and multiply it on the top. So we're going to end up with 2 times x to the power of 3 halves divided by 3 plus c. Now, you might want to tidy this up. You don't have to for the achieve level. That's probably okay as it is. But if you need to tidy it up, the 3 halves can be changed into square root of x cubed. Just go back and brush up your exponents rules if you're a bit rusty. So we're going to end up with 2 times the square root of x cubed divided by 3 plus our constant c. All right, let's do a second example to show you how this works once again. So we're going to integrate the cube root of x with respect to x. Remember, the cube root of x can be rewritten as x to the power of 1/3. Now we're going to add 1 to the power of 1/3 and divide by the new power of 1/3 plus 1. Remember, 1 and 1/3 can be written as 4/3. So now we can rewrite this as x to the power of 4/3 divided by 4/3 plus our constant c. And just remember, when we divide by fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So the 3 pops up and multiplies on the top, and we're left with 3 times x to the power of 4/3 divided by 4 plus c. And if you wanted to tidy that up, just practice your exponent rules. You would write it as 3 times the cube root of x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus our constant c. Great, thanks for watching.